The grant itself enabled us to participate in a new market tax credit and leverage financing for the project in Chester, Pennsylvania, where we partnered with TRF. And this was a community food center, a bit of a hybrid of sort of traditional supermarket grocery store as well as food bank, where individuals in the community of Chester now have access to affordable, healthy food, be able to use their SNAP benefits in a very discreet, respectful way. And this is clearly a community that does not have access to supermarket. The closest supermarket is 11 miles away, so really not convenient or affordable access to healthy foods. So the grant allowed us to begin to explore these more innovative approaches to serving community needs.
The HFFI grant is a piece of a broader strategy of ours, which is really to build various elements of a food system. We only in the last 3 years have begun working with growers. We're working with Latino growers who are just beginning to grow, but also with Hmong growers. There are several hundred Hmong families raising vegetables in the Twin Cities area. But as we work with growers, if we don't at the same time develop markets for their product and the intermediate steps, the refrigerated trucks, the processing facilities, the warehouse, we need to work on each of those areas of really a food system. And this is a very ambitious project, but we don't think the growers we work with are going to be successful unless we can link them to markets.
What's wonderful about the HFFI is that even though it has its retail focus, we can also use it for value chain businesses. We're working with an organic milk processor that has brought on farms that, because they were geographic outliers, had been dropped by another milk company. And so this milk company has picked up those farms, initially a small handful, now there are about 14 farms on that milk truck and milk route that is getting into both high-end markets, but also through collaborative work with foundations is getting into food banks so that the folks who are most at risk are able to access that same wonderful, healthy product. And that's a very exciting project because that supports about 65 jobs.
Our HHS-funded initiative is just one component to our urban agriculture food access efforts. So what the projects that we're doing, we have a health conscious cafe and we have a community kitchen that we call Cornucopia Place. We have junior chef classes all the way up to our senior health and wellness classes. Our local community college that actually provide our chefs. We have a harvest preparation facility for our market gardeners. As we encourage individuals to grow their own fresh foods, they don't have the resources to properly clean their harvest. So we provide an area where they can clean it, package it, and store it. The community appreciates it, they use it in the heart of the Kinsman neighborhood, which again is a neighborhood that had historically been known for all of the negative things that we typically associate with a low-income neighborhood.